Hey guys, Chris here with the Worksport truck bed covers. In this video today, we're going to show you how to replace your front and rear corners on your AL3, AL4 hard folding truck bed cover. The hardware needed today is a replacement corner kit that can be acquired by giving us a call, and the tools needed is a Torx bit T20 drive. Step one, flip your cover back. Step two is go to the corner we're going to be replacing and remove the foam pad on the bottom side. Step three is going to be removing the screw with the T20 Torx bit driver. Step four, on the inside of this corner, there's going to be an insert piece that the screw attaches to. We're going to remove this part. Step five, we're going to remove the old corner. Lift up the cover slightly, and we're going to grab the corner and we're going to pull back. There is going to be glue on each side, and that's the sealant to keep the water out from the inside of your bed. So it may be a little sticky, but it will come off. Step six, you're going to grab your replacement corner. And what we've shown as an example is the silver line on the bottom side of this corner is going to be where you're going to apply silicone at before you reapply the corner. After silicone has been applied to the bottom of the corner, we're going to lift the bottom of the cover up again, and we're going to reinsert the corner on the corner of the cover. You're going to notice there's ears and tabs on the bottom side of the corner. They're going to fit over this extrusion here, and you're going to have some excess silicone, but that's okay. Step seven, we're going to put the corner insert piece back inside the corner, and then we're going to take our screw and reattach it. Step eight, grab your new foam corner, and we're going to pull the backing off the bottom side, and we're going to reapply it to the bottom side of the corner. If you guys have any questions about today's video on how to replace the front and rear corners of your AL3, AL4 cover, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-554-8789, or you can shoot us an email at customerservice@worksport.com. Thank you guys and have a great day.